we've had 4 days of, I think, tough negotiations, and we have today reached an agreement between the E3+3 and Iran on the way forward. We believe that we have now got a robust and substantial first step, and it is an important diplomatic milestone after almost 10 years of unsuccessful attempts. Can I begin by thanking the Swiss government and the UN for their hospitality, and to pay tribute to the teams from the E3+3, the political directors and their teams, and the ministers who've worked incredibly hard over these days. But I also want to pay tribute to Minister Zarif and his team, who have also worked extremely hard to reach this point. And I now want to read out a joint statement on behalf of Minister Zarif and myself. You will get copies of this statement. I am the Foreign Minister of Iran, together with the foreign ministers and political directors of the E3+3, China, France, Germany, the Russian Federation, the United Kingdom, and the United States of America, met from the 20th to the 24th of November 2013 in Geneva. After intensive negotiations, we reached agreement today on a joint plan of action which sets out an approach towards reaching a long-term, comprehensive solution. We agreed that the process leading to this comprehensive solution will include a first step on initial reciprocal measures to be taken by both sides for a duration of 6 months. We also share a strong commitment to negotiate a final comprehensive solution. The adoption of a joint plan of action was possible thanks to a sense of mutual respect and a determination to find a way forward which is beneficial to all of us. The implementation of this first step creates the time and the environment needed for a comprehensive solution, which remains the shared goal and on which talks will begin soon. The work on the implementation of this first step will begin shortly. We look forward to swift implementation, which we will jointly monitor in close coordination with the IAEA. Finally, today's agreement is a significant step towards developing our relationship in a more constructive way. Thank you very much.
Thank you.